Capture every angle with stunning clarity. The best 360 camera lets you record immersive, high-resolution videos and photos effortlessly. Perfect for travel, adventures, or creative projects, it delivers seamless, all-around visuals that bring every moment to life. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Insta360 X5 Waterproof 8K 360-degree Camera. The Insta360 X5 Waterproof 8K 360-degree camera is a premium choice for anyone looking to capture ultra-detailed, immersive footage. Equipped with dual 1.1.28 sensors, it shoots 8K 30 FPS 360-degree video, delivering crisp clarity, vibrant colors, and an impressive dynamic range. Whether filming adventures or everyday moments, this camera ensures professional-grade results. Its triple AI chip design enhances low-light performance, reducing noise and preserving sharpness even in dim conditions. One standout feature is the invisible selfie stick, allowing you to achieve cinematic third-person shots without the stick appearing in your footage, though it is sold separately. Insta-frame mode makes sharing simple, letting users create flat videos with automatic framing or fixed angles, while flow state stabilization combined with 360-degree horizon lock ensures buttery smooth, level footage without a gimbal. The X5 also introduces fully replaceable lenses that are durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to swap out, keeping you ready for any scenario. Rugged and versatile, this camera handles action-packed shooting with ease, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, travel content creators, and anyone seeking top-tier 360-degree video quality. Overall, the X5 is a sophisticated, reliable camera that balances high performance, durability, and creative flexibility. Number 2. Insta360 X4 4K Wide-Angle Camera. The Insta360 X4 4K wide-angle camera brings powerful 360-degree capabilities in a compact, versatile design. With stunning 8K and 5.7K 60 FPS video capture, it ensures vivid, immersive visuals, while active HDR maintains accurate colors even in challenging action scenes. Its AI-powered Insta360 app allows effortless reframing, letting you shoot first and choose angles later, making editing intuitive and creative. The camera supports the invisible selfie stick effect, creating cinematic third-person shots without obstructions, giving your footage a professional, drone-like perspective. Beyond 360 degrees, the X4 doubles as a wide-angle 4K action camera with a 170-degree max view option, offering flexibility for vlogs or wide landscapes. Flow state stabilization paired with 360-degree horizon lock guarantees smooth, level footage, no matter the intensity of your adventure. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, X4 is cold-resistant down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 Celsius, and waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters without a dive case, or 164 feet with the invisible dive case. Rugged lens guards enhance durability, while ease of use ensures a reliable shooting experience in any scenario. Number 3. DJI Osmo 8K 360-degree camera. The DJI Osmo 8K 360-degree camera combines cutting-edge imaging with ultimate flexibility for immersive filming. Its groundbreaking 1-inch sensor delivers exceptional low-light performance, ensuring sharp, detailed visuals regardless of the environment. Capable of recording 8K 30 FPS 360-degree video, it captures expansive cityscapes, outdoor adventures, and everyday moments in stunning clarity and vibrant color. The camera also excels in ultra-wide action footage, offering 4K/120 FPS capture and a 170-degree field of view for dynamic, high-speed scenes. Photographers and content creators will appreciate its 120-megapixel 360-degree photo capability, producing lifelike, immersive images. The magnetic snap-on system allows fast transitions between 360 selfies and single-lens vlogging, providing flexibility for any shooting scenario, including motorcycle or travel setups. With up to 100 minutes of continuous 8K recording, this waterproof camera is reliable for extended use. Audio quality is equally impressive, featuring 4 microphones with stereo and mono modes and wind noise reduction, making it ideal for immersive storytelling. Number 4. Insta360 X3 48-megapixel sensor, 360-degree camera. The Insta360 X3 48-megapixel sensor, 360-degree camera delivers advanced imaging for both casual users and professional creators. Equipped with dual half-inch 48-megapixel sensors, it captures 5.7K 360-degree active HDR video, 72-megapixel photos, and 8K time-lapses, offering exceptional clarity, color, and detail even in low-light environments. The AI-powered Insta360 app allows easy reframing, giving you the freedom to select your perfect angle after shooting. Flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock ensure smooth, level video, while the camera's impossible third-person view feature enables drone-like shots with the invisible selfie stick effect. Users can also opt for 4K single-lens mode for wide-angle footage, providing versatility comparable to traditional action cameras. The X3 balances high-quality imaging with practical usability, offering robust stabilization, seamless editing, and cinematic framing options in a compact, durable design. Its combination of 360-degree capture, dual high-resolution sensors, and user-friendly controls make it an excellent choice for adventure seekers, travel vloggers, and content creators who want professional quality footage in a versatile, portable package. Number 5. AKASO 48-megapixel sensor 360-degree camera. The AKASO 48-megapixel sensor 360-degree camera is a feature-packed option for creators seeking high-quality, immersive video at a competitive price. It records 5.7K 360-degree video with dual 1/2 48-megapixel sensors, delivering sharp, detailed images with vibrant colors. Advanced in-app stabilization ensures 360-degree super smooth video, eliminating shakes and jitters for a professional look even without a gimbal. Horizon lock keeps footage level, maintaining stability regardless of flips, spins, or fast movements. AKASO's invisible selfie stick effect allows users to achieve cinematic third-person shots without visible equipment, while AI subject tracking intelligently centers subjects in every frame for dynamic, pro-level results. The camera also captures stunning 72-megapixel 360 photos, providing clarity and detail rarely found in this price range. With user-friendly controls, robust performance, and versatile creative features, the AKASO 360-degree camera is perfect for adventurers, vloggers, and content creators wanting professional quality 360-degree video without breaking the bank. Its combination of high-resolution sensors, advanced stabilization, and intelligent AI features makes it a compelling choice for immersive action footage and cinematic storytelling. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.